Thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to show you how to install our new blow-off valve adapter in a Mark 7 GTI. This piece converts your stock OEM bypass valve into a vent-to-atmosphere blow-off valve. The following tools are required: a 7mm socket, a 5mm Allen socket, and channel locks. Begin by removing the intake tube. Unplug the bypass valve harness. Remove the 3 bolts securing the stock bypass valve and remove the bypass valve. Align the bypass valve and the adapter in place so that the notch on both pieces line up. The wiring harness should be facing up if this is done correctly. Use the provided longer screws to secure it to the turbo housing. We recommend starting with the bottommost screw first. Reconnect the wiring harness. Reinstall the intake tube. You are now done with the installation of the Boomba Racing blow-off valve adapter.